So energies can be transformed amongst themselves, and specifically potential energy and kinetic energy can be swapped back and forth. So for instance, here we have a rock that is falling or being dropped. Up here it has the greatest amount of PE, potential energy, equals greatest. Goodness. Greatest. And remember, PE is calculated mgh, so h is the highest, right? So one of the things we know, and we talked about this before, it's going to go faster and faster and faster. It's going to accelerate as it heads to the ground. And so here, kinetic energy, calculated as 1/2 mv squared. So here, v is the greatest. Okay, so I hope that you buy that. So as we drop this rock, potential energy, stored energy is converted to kinetic energy. And actually there's a lot of quantities in science that are conserved. And so at any one given time, this is kind of fun, we can actually calculate the PE, potential energy, due to position and gravity, plus the kinetic energy, 1/2 mv squared, is going to be conserved. So I just think that is so cool. So here we have the pendulum, and I think the video, that brave professor did a great job at basically your pendulum starts up here, you go ahead and release it. It has what, V is equal to 0 up here, and H is the highest it's going to be. Okay, and here velocity is the greatest. And like this says, your height is basically 0. So that means, and I hope you probably answered this correctly on your quiz question, when it's swinging up at the sides, that is going to be the potential energy is the highest. And then when it's down here at the bottom of the swing, kinetic energy is the highest. So I just kind of emphasize this is the conservation of energy as it goes back and forth between potential energy and kinetic energy. Like I said, in this universe, energy is conserved. It's a wonderful thing.